Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word tenure, its meaning, definition and the example. Tenure. The definition of tenure is the length of time, or the conditions under which something is held. The synonyms of tenure are tenancy, occupancy, grip, ownership. Now let me show the example of tenure word in sentences are. In English law, chivalry meant the tenure of land by knights' service. Its essential defect was what might be called insecurity of tenure. His tenure of the deanery of Westminster was memorable in many ways. Owing to historical reasons, the system of land tenure is not uniform. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.